Hey y'all, it's Miss Katie. This is Project 54. We are cooking all summer here at Heritage Ways YouTube. Don't forget, we are at heritageways.com. That's where you can find my cookbook and all sorts of other menus, recipes, all kinds of information about the Journal newspaper. So that's your community newspaper. Make sure you check that out. There's frequently asked questions. But I'm Miss Katie with Heritage Ways, and that's where we honor home, celebrate heritage, and spread hope. We're in the week of unusual recipes. The recipes themselves might be unusual, or some of the combinations or ingredients might be unusual or strange to you, but hey, let's try new things. So today it is Aunt Coco's, because that's what I call my Aunt Coriel, Aunt Coco's banana salad. She gave it to me on a little Post-it note years and years ago because we had this at her house and it was so good. Now it is strange, we thought, but it is good. It is in my cookbook, so you're going to find that in my cookbook if you already own my cookbook. I'm going to pare it down a little bit just for kind of a single serving for me, but let's stay tuned. Unusual recipe, Aunt Coco's banana salad, episode 27 of Project 54. On page 55 of the cookbook, I'm going to pare this down just for me to have a little bit to try with you tonight. But the full recipe is in my cookbook, and I'll also write it down below in the description notes for you. Thanks to Debbie at Higher Aim Homestead for doing this for me, for writing out the recipes for all of us, for y'all. But tonight I will write this one down below for you. Okay, the thing is you should eat this immediately because the lettuce will wilt, the bananas will turn brown, but it's very good. Let's jump in and see how to make it. Now, like I said, I might be referring to the full recipe and not be doing what I'm saying I'm doing in the video because I'm paring it down. But again, full recipe down below. If you've ever heard of a little singer who had a couple of hit songs, his name is Elvis Presley, and he loved bananas and peanut butter together. So this kind of is the same, makes us think of that. He liked a grilled banana peanut butter sandwich. This kind of maybe makes you think of that. Let's see.
Showing hospitality is about being comfortable and making others comfortable in your home.
Okay, now the full recipe for the salad is a head of iceberg lettuce washed and torn. And we have that here. And as you can see, that is a lot of lettuce. So this is going to make a huge salad. So you're going to want to experiment. If it's just one or two people, you might want to do what I'm doing here tonight for just myself. All right, full recipe is 2 sliced bananas. So I'm probably just going to use maybe a fourth or half a banana for myself. A fourth a cup of mayonnaise and a tablespoon of sugar is the full recipe. So I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make the full recipe of the dressing because I can put that aside, and this is an idea for you too. I can put that aside and then mix this as I want to later. It does call for Miracle Whip, not mayonnaise, or if you have another brand of salad dressing that you like. All right, a tablespoon of sugar in this fourth a cup of Miracle Whip. And then enough milk to thin it down to make it fairly thin. You want it to easily come off the spoon. You want it fairly thin. You really do, because you're going to cover all that lettuce. Okay, so you see you've got, see how thin it is? Gives you an idea. I'll probably put maybe even near 1/4 cup of milk, I'm not sure. And you are going to, the directions say, place the lettuce and the bananas in the salad bowl. And in a separate bowl, mix your Miracle Whip, your sugar, and enough milk to form a desired consistency of salad dressing. And I want it thin or even thinner than that. Mix the dressing lightly into the salad and toss. Sprinkle it with chopped peanuts and enjoy immediately. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have myself a little individual salad. So this is enough for the whole recipe, remember. So I've got a little individual salad here. Little dish. And I'm going to put whatever amount of bananas I want to put. Probably going to put 1/3 of a banana. Just to try to keep in proportion with the original recipe. But you just slice them in there. Is this unique to y'all? Kind of drizzle or put it on there. Now, it's gonna be better when I mix it all up. That's it. That's it. It's simple, and I'm gonna taste it. Now, I'm here to announce to the world that Aunt Coco's banana salad is yummy, but I'm gonna taste it to prove it. Focus on this. Alrighty. Can you use other greens? I guess you can. I never have. Can you use mayonnaise? It won't be the same. Salad dressing is not mayonnaise. It's a different recipe, different ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna chomp, but I'm gonna, good. Y'all, that's so unique and so unusual and so good. But for those of you who've had my cookbook for 2 or 3 years, you probably already tried this. All right, see you tomorrow for more unusual recipes. This is my ice maker that decided to start running. This is unusual repices. What's a repice? This is unusual repice. What is a repice? Oh my word. Okay, here we go. We're in the week of unusual recipes. Yay, I got it. Okay, do it again. We're in the week of unusual